besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Fine Bomam. Welcome to my channel. I hope that by the end of this video you're going to like, comment and subscribe. Anyway, today I have a very important event. It's a friend's event, and it's like a girl's slumber party that a slumber party without sleep. Like, I don't know how to put it. Like, it's like a girl's pool party. So the dress theme is beachwear. So underneath my dress I have like a bikini under. If you can see, I'm wearing a bikini, but I didn't want to wear like just any outfit because it's night. It's like almost 7 p.m. ish. So I wanted to like shine in my outfit because there's going to be a red carpet. That's why I'm wearing this shiny kimono, and then I'm wearing bikini underneath. So I'm all I've had my shower. I'm just trying to do my skincare right now while I yap to you guys. So I know it's been a while since we last met. ah I've been so busy with life. Life has been lifing, like I always say. A lot has been going on. So I'm going to be in Lagos tomorrow to start the dirty December to begin the dirty December season. So I've just applied my toner, my serum. I'm just going with my moisturizer. This is actually a moisturizer I use to I'm trying to lighten my hyperpigmentation. I just recovered recently from chronic acne. So I'm trying to get rid of the dark spots and all the hyperpigmentation that the acne came with. So that's what that moisturizer is for. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this event I'm going for is a girls event. It's a girls Candlemas. We're going to be learning how to make candles. I think I attended an event like that, I think some weeks ago, but it was not a slumber party. But it was about making candles. I don't know, everybody just wants to make candles. Like, what is happening? I don't know. Anyway, maybe because it's Christmas. So we're going to be learning how to make candles. It's going to be about social networking, and not really the most important part of the event, but one of the most special parts of the event is that I am going to be speaking as a guest at the event. I'm going to be talking to the girls about social media presence. As an influencer that I am, so I'm going to be talking to the girls, or I'm going to be talking to us about social media presence, what social media presence is about, the ups and downs of social media presence, how social media can make you or break you. I have my whole notes in my iPad, so I'm going to be, when I'm speaking, they are gonna be sat. Okay, so I'm going to be vlogging the whole experience at the event, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. This vlog is just about to start. And like I said, when you're done watching this vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, and the most important, subscribe, so that when I drop more videos, I'm going to be dropping more vlogs. I still have like 2 more vlogs I'm going to drop this December, so make sure you subscribe so that you're not going to miss it. Now I'm done doing my skincare. I just want to wear my perfumes. For this event, I'm wearing the Zimaya scent. This is Zimaya Treasure. It was a gift from a toaster. Somebody special got this for me. I'm going to be pairing it with my Burberry Weekend. This also was given to me by someone special. So I'm going to be wearing both of them for this event because I feel like it just goes with, the fragrance of the perfume just goes with the rhythm of the night. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. And so I'm just yapping and yapping and yapping. It smells so good. So I wish I could show you guys like my full outfit, But I don't know. Should I go back so you can see? So I'm wearing like my bikini under and then this shimmery dress, and boy, I look sweet. So I'm done doing my skincare, my perfume. Next thing I want to do is accessorize and I hit the road. So see you all. So guys, I'm ready. I am all dressed up and I'm going with this big tote bag that I have. I'm wearing these white slides. I don't know if you guys can see. And that's basically it. So yeah, see you at the event. Don't go anywhere. I promise you are going to have as much fun as I hope to have at the event, because I'm meeting these girls for the first time, aside the hostess, rather. I don't really know that person there. So I hope it turns out nice as I expect. Alright. So see you all at the event. Ciao ciao.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no setting with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. No, it's still.
Ever tried threesome? If yes, tell us about it.
Okay, she was
Okay, together. Anyone? Why try that? She has never tried it.
You don't answer.
I should explore more.
If no, why? Oh my god. Are you horny? If no, why? Because I'm not feeling it, so I'm not horny.
Today, our first organic soft Ajabot 2024. So yeah, so having a sweet 2025. Cheers, everyone. Cheers.
So I'll go with these two colors, these two fragrances. Coming to social media for the first time. So social media presence refers to how you appear and how you are perceived by others on social media platforms. What are the benefits of social media presence? Connectivity. I do not know anybody here, aside from the hostess. I don't think I've met any other person here before the party or outside the party, but we are all here now, and even after this event we can decide to follow each other on Instagram. That's connectivity. I might see you at another social event and I'll remember, oh, I met you at the Candlemas, and just like that we click. I can even be in an event, and just because we clicked here, I can mention your name in rooms that you are not there. Oh, I met somebody at an event. I think she's going to be a good influencer. I think she's going to do well in this job. So that's the upside of social media presence. Now, like I said, social media has the upside and the downside. Now, when you are creating a social media presence, the first thing you need to do is be authentic.
Now we can live where I never God, so I fear not. Let the increase in the original no be part of it. You know be clear for your memory. But then now we out come back. I did the time living life in my fire, burning bright. It's in the inside. Molly with my feeling never know I color. No the most fine, balance. Everything inside my mind daily. Trust me, you can't fool me. And then you know I love her. Oh, I'm friendly and close. I'm a lady to so cool, so I'm not ready for confusion. They're telling me make I show love. Stability on honor. Everything a connection. I'm not ready for confusion.
So besties, I just got back from my event. It is it is 25 minutes past 10 p.m. Exhausted cannot describe how I feel right now. It is 25 minutes past 10 p.m. I am so exhausted. I have a flight to catch tomorrow morning and I have not packed a thing. Like, there's so much to pack because I'm spending like 2 months in Lagos. I have so much to pack, but I'm just going to go to bed now because that's all I care about, to sleep and maybe wake up tomorrow morning as early as 6 a.m. and start packing my luggage. Now I want to start having giveaways on my YouTube channel for my day one and my die-hard viewers. So how to win, how to enter for this giveaway? There's just going to be one winner every week till the end of 2024, or I don't know, till maybe I don't know how long I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the year, but let's say till like February. I'm gonna try as much as I can to drop more vlogs. So every week I drop a vlog, there's going to be a giveaway on it. So for this week's giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on all my social media handles, which is Fine Boma. I'm going to attach it in this video. Fine Boma on all my social media platforms. Screen record or record a clip from this particular vlog and repost on your Insta story and tag me, and maybe write a hashtag Fine Boma's giveaways. Yeah, I'm gonna write it in the video so you understand better. So you can just do hashtag Fine Boma giveaway and then tag me and post it on your Insta story. I'm going to be selecting one winner to win 5,000 naira. So I'm going to be giving 5,000 naira every week. I drop a vlog until I decide to stop, or maybe go higher with the amount, with the giveaway amount. Thank you for watching. Oh, let me show you guys what's in my gift box. That's why I was holding the box initially. So this is the gift box we got at the, I went so late. I was so late at the event. When I stepped into the event, I had to like calm myself down because I was angry at myself for arriving late. It was actually not my fault. Like, there was no way I could get a ride. The traffic in my town now is crazy, so getting a ride to the event was sort of a challenge for me. But yeah, this is what I got at the event. I've already unboxed it in the video earlier, but I really like what was in the gift, like what is in the gift box, especially this hairband. I've been wanting to purchase this hairband. When I saw it, I was so excited. I literally gasped because I was expecting to buy this. So when I saw it, I was really happy. I don't know how she knows that I'm currently on my period as at the time I'm filming this video. So when I saw this, it was such a coincidence. I was like, really? How did you know I was on my period? So she gave these cookies. I've already started eating one, but I could not finish it because I'm not really a biscuit person. Then the cutest thing in this box is this stuff, like this decor stuff. As you can see, I'm just going to put it there where the other decor stuffs are, and probably use it for my keys, like to put my keys. And there is a tissue in it also, and cotton boards. So yeah, that's all that's inside the box. But mind you, the most important and the star of the event is the candle baking. Let me show you guys what my candle looks like right now. I put it so I'm such a silly girl. I put my candle in the freezer so that it's going to block quickly. So I'm gonna show you guys what's it looks like now it's starting to get blocked, but I don't really like the color that came out, like the brown. I don't really like it, but what will I do? But as for the smell, oh god, I'm so good at fragrances. Like I think I should own a perfume line. It is amazing. Like it smells so good. I'm proud of myself. So this is like the second candle event I'm making. The first one was I think I posted it on TikTok. Go and check my TikTok, find Boma, you'll see the other video. But this one was strictly for YouTube. So this is my candle. You can see my name, Fine Boma. So that's all for today's vlog. See you guys in the next vlog. Please, the most important is liking, commenting, and also subscribing. So please subscribe to my channel so that you'd be the first to know when I drop another video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.